I was able to attend the 60 Years of Ford Mustang event at Charlotte, North Carolina, and I thought I would share some of the video clips I captured while I was there. Make sure you stick around towards the end of the video where the drifting exhibition went on, and I tell you that Mach E 1400 horsepower was really something to experience in person. Hope you enjoy the clips.
Here we go.
Are you in the extended?
Yep, unbridled, extended. So we slide in the front, we just got to wait. Now we can go. 2 brakes, 2 turn, wait for it, now we can go again. And then here, it just understeers, so it slides the nose, I'm just waiting. Now we can go a little bit early, and then we're complete.
Have you driven a 24 yet? It's got the new motor in the front?
Not yet, I can't wait.
Yeah, that seems like a good. The camera is set to horizon leveling, so when we get to the banked section of the track here, you'll actually see how steep it is.
listen to Street Sound.
Like in the Ford GT, we did always like 3-hour stints. Like a stint is a fuel load is about an hour, so you do a triple stint basically. We did that because of that gives the other two drivers more time to sleep, because you need a rest. You can't be up for 24 hours. It's not like a deep sleep. It's, you know, you get your rest, you get your nutrition, you get maybe a massage if you're lucky, and you behave well, and then you get back in the car. I mean, in 16 I did 12 hours in total in the car, which is yeah kind of cool. But then you have short races as well. Long Beach coming up this weekend. It's a 100-minute race, so it's a sprint.
Can you tell us a little bit about the GT3? A lot of hard work went into this car. It's pretty sweet.
Oh man, I think we have a fan favorite already. You guys like it? You like the sound of it? I like it a lot. It's you know, the M Sport V8 is making its noise definitely throughout the world right now. It's not only, you know, what comes out of the exhaust pipes, it's the air intake, it's the whole, you know, Mustang feeling basically, screaming. It's kind of cool. It's that car is our test car actually. I think we're gonna talk about it a little later. There's a lot of sweat in the car from a lot of guys. We did lots of mileage because to finish a 24 race first you have to finish, right? It's not just a stupid saying, but you know, the focus was on really doing a lot of mileage in the pre-testing. We started last year, lots of testing, lots of Sebring sweat testing, like in the summertime when nobody goes to Sebring. We went there and did a 24-hour simulation, which is by the way the hardest work, because you have no competition. You have just your stopwatch. People are telling you.
You're out there by yourself?
You're just by yourself. It's
for
really,
24 hours.
For 24 hours.
There's surely a test guy for that. I mean, your credentials say you've won. Come on, you've won the Rolex at Daytona. I would think we could find, you know, new kids. That's what the new guys are for.
Yeah, you say that. No, but at the same time, it's you know, even there, you figure out stuff. You find stuff for yourself. And well, so that, yeah, well, that's what we did last year. We did lots of new stuff as well. We went to, somebody's talking about Dell, somebody's talking about Sim. I'm talking about the simulator. So we did spend a lot of time on the simulator actually to develop early stage stuff in there to make sure that we have the right ingredients in our Mustang GTD. And it looks like we're going strong. We had only a couple of races so far. Long Beach this weekend is coming up, not for the pro category. They did separate pros from the names in Long Beach. gorgeous capacity which they're having over there. That means the pros are only being with the cheapest grease in each